making 2 loaves of quinoa bread, so I'm starting with 900 grams of white quinoa. Add enough water to cover the quinoa, then you're going to leave it to ferment for 24 hours. You will see that some gas bubbles form and the water will darken quite a bit. Rinse the quinoa a few times until the water runs almost clear and is no longer foamy. Then drain. You can use a fine mesh sieve to do this. Add in a little water at a time. Blend the quinoa until you have a thick batter consistency. I ended up using something like 2 cups of water. You won't get it perfectly smooth, but you just want to make sure that most of the quinoa is broken down. Now you're going to cover it and once again leave it to ferment overnight or for at least 12 hours. After this time, you may notice that the mixture is a bit lighter and puffier thanks to the additional fermentation. Transfer the mixture into lined loaf tins. For a rustic look, I added some mixed seeds that included pumpkin, sunflower, and linseed. You can also use sesame seeds if you want. Place the bread in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 90 minutes. Yes, this bread needs an hour and a half because of the high moisture content, so go watch your movie, relax, and let it do its thing. Like I mentioned, I made enough mixture to bake 2 loaves, but feel free to halve the mixture. For me, I find it sufficient to bake 2 at once and freeze the other one until I'm ready to eat it. Let the bread cool completely before cutting into it. I was really happy with how it turned out. Considering that there are no additional ingredients, just quinoa and water, it's great to see how well it holds its shape. It's not crumbly and there's just the right amount of moisture. This bread is high in protein, yeast-free, and 100% vegan and gluten-free. You can eat it with your favorite toppings. I tried it with red pepper hummus and sauerkraut and it was delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you give the recipe a try. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already because I post a new video every week. See you next time. Bye!